everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is very easy. It's a southern corn on the cob recipe made with milk and butter and Cajun seasoning, or you can call it Cajun corn on the cob with milk and butter. Stay with me to see the steps. It's so easy to make, and believe me, it's delicious, and the corn is really good if you are a corn lover. First step, you boil some water. Be sure that you boil it first. Add some bay leaf. I'm having here 4 bay leaves. Add enough salt to the water. Depend on how many corn on the cobs you have here. For me, I'm using the frozen corn. If you use the frozen corn, be sure to take it out the freezer the last minute. After the water boiled, then you take the corn. If you're using the fresh one, it's not a problem. But if you use the frozen one, be sure to add it last minute after the water gets boiled. It takes 8 to 10 minutes. You can go to 12 minutes for this corn to get ready. It doesn't take that much time, and this is the first step. After it gets ready, I have here a lot of water. I will take some of the pot. I will leave only to the level of the corn water, because I will add milk and butter. I don't want it to be too watery. You see, this corn is well done. I add some butter. Depend how many corns you have. You add 3-4 tablespoons of butter there, and some milk. Then you stir and leave it for a few minutes. Is now that the corn is done, only you have to leave it a few minutes, 2-3 minutes, until all the spices get together. Here I add the Cajun seasoning, some garlic powder, and some of the onion powder. Mix everything, stir, then leave it for a few minutes, and it will be ready to serve. And you taste it. Like, if you see you need more seasoning, you can add more seasoning, but you be careful with the Cajun seasoning because it's spicy. If you don't like it too spicy, don't add that much Cajun seasoning. You cover it to leave it to boil for a few minutes, then it's ready to serve. It's really delicious, this kind of corn, a southern corn on the cob recipe, or a Cajun corn on the cob with butter and milk. It's really soft, well done, and have a very good flavor to it. That was the recipe for today. Thank you for watching, and see you next time in a new video, a new recipe. Enjoy this very easy, simple recipe.